students. Now we going to learn about chapter 2 linear equations in one variable case. Exercise 2.4 exercise. Then 5 questions early we completed. Today we going to learn the sixth question onwards. Sixth question onwards. Now we going to discussion doing. Sixth question tells that. In a one grama panchayat is there, one villages are there. In their village there is a rectangular shape plot is there. Rectangular shape plot is there. Length and breadth of the plot is given as in ratio wise. That means they given as 11:4 ratio. That means first 11 represent as a ratio of length. Ratio case always we want one alphabet also. That's why we consider it as a length as 11x. Breadth we consider it as a 4x is the breadth. A rectangular plot is there. The villagers, they want to separate this plot by making fencing. Fencing means bricks and cement using and making a wall is known as a fencing. So they want to separate that plot by making a fencing. So Grama Panchayat allowed the villagers to do the fencing, and they give some amount. How much amount they allotted means rupees 75,000 rupees they allotted for making this fencing. Question asking what is the original length and breadth of this plot? That is the meaning of the sixth question. So first of all, we don't know length is how much, breadth is how much, but they given as a ratio. So we can start with the length. Length of the plot. Length of the plot, to consider it as how much, 11x. Then next, breadth of the plot, breadth of the plot, that here given as a ratio as 4, so we take it as a 4x. Then fencing means where we want to do the fencing on the boundary part of the plot. Fencing are doing boundary part, that means distance around the boundary part, we call it as a perimeter. That's why first we want to find out the perimeter of this plot. So let's say third step we can write find out the perimeter of the plot. Perimeter of the plot. Plot is in which shape? A rectangle shape. So we can write it as a rectangle. What is the formula for finding a perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B is the formula. 2 into length place 11x plus breadth place 4x. So adding time inside bracket, 11 plus 4 comes to be 15x. 15 2s are how much? 30x is the perimeter. This much a meter. Perimeter represent as a unit only. In which way they give the unit, that way we are writing. Meter means a meter, centimeter means a centimeter. So perimeter of the plot represent as a 30x. Meter is the perimeter of the question. According to question, they given us here total amount allotted. Total amount, how to find out here, what they saying there, cost here. Another thing also, they given that cost of a 1 meter fencing, they given us rupees 100. That information also they given. For 1 meter fencing doing, they allotted 100 rupees. So total amount they given us 75,000 rupees. That is the mean. So next we can write it as a cost of 1 meter fencing. is equal to rupees 100. Here how much perimeter our plot has, so cost of 30x meter fencing is equal to rupees 100 is multiplied with the 30x, 100 into 30 become how much rupees 3000. X is the total amount, but the total amount is given 3000x. According to question, the total amount is given how much 75,000 is the total amount allotted by the village Grama Panchayat. So x value 5. So 3000x is equal to 75,000. So x is equal to, here's it, 3 zeros, here also 3 zeros cancelled. Then 75 is here, or directly you can cancel or send it to right side and cancel. Anyway we can cancel. Right side to bring means numerator number goes to denominator, comes to be denominator there. So 3 and 75 cancel. 3 table, when we get 75, 3 into 25 become as x value become how much 25 is the x value. Then actual length and breadth find out. So we can write length of the plot, we consider it as 11x. That's why how much x place 25 substitute. So how much 275 meter is the length of the plot. Then breadth of the plot, how to find out breadth of the plot equal 4x. We consider the expression, so we can write it as 4 into x plus 25. So 100 meter is the breadth of the plot. This is the meaning of this first question asking length and breadth of the plot. So length to become 275 meter and breadth to become 100 meter. That is the meaning. So this is the meaning of this question. I hope you can understand this one. Then next we go through second question. Next question, seventh question. Seventh question there tells that one person is there. He he purchased two types cloth material, one for a shirt and one for a trouser. Then each 2 meter trouser case he purchased 3 meter shirt material. Then next they say that cost of a 1 meter trouser is rupees 90 rupees. Then cost of a shirt is rupees 50. Then they asking that this material, for material he purchased and he selling that material, same material he sell to the others. Selling time he get profit also. Trouser cloth selling time he get 10% profit. Shirt material selling time he get 12% profit. Anyhow, he selling time in his pocket how much amount getting means 36,600 rupees come in his pocket. That is the meaning of the question. Then what they ask you to find means question asking find out the how much trouser material he purchased. Trouser material he purchased. That is the meaning of the next question. So we can start with, we don't know how much material he purchased. So total trouser material he purchase or bought. He bought is equal to, we don't know, it consider it as a x. Then next the shirt material bought for each 2 meter trouser case. How much shirt material he purchased? 3 meter, each 2 meter trouser case he purchased 3 meter shirt. Then same way in this 2 meter shirt case 3 meter. So we want to find out a 1 meter trouser case how much shirt material he purchased. Next step we want to find out. So next step shirt material bought for 1 meter trouser material case is equal to here how much 3 by 2 meter. Then in same way how much trouser material he purchased x meter trouser material. Exact value we don't know, we consider an alphabet as x, so we want to find out x. So shirt material bought for x meter trouser case we want to find out. That is 1 meter shirt is how much, that is multiply with x, that means 3 by 2 x meter is the shirt material, total shirt material bought for x meter trouser case. Then next they given as a cost is given, cost of 1 meter trouser they given how much rupees, 90 rupees. So we cost means cost price, so we want to find out the cost of how much trouser material he purchased, x meter trouser material. So trouser material how much, here 1 meter 90 rupees means x meter means 90 into x become rupees 90x is the total amount for trouser material. Then same way cost of 1 meter shirt case cost is rupees 50 rupees. Then how much meter shirt he purchased, 3 by 2 x meter shirt material he purchased. So how much total, how much amount he spent for that material, 3 by 2 meter shirt is equal to 50 rupees is multiply with 3 by 2 x, here x is the 3 by 2 x meter, 2 and 50 cancel, 2 table 50, 25 3s are 75 x meter is the total cost of the shirt material. That is the meaning. Then this material, shirt material and trouser material he purchased after he sell to the other person. So others, so question asking, then selling time he become a profit and some amount come his pocket. How much amount, 36,600 rupees comes in his pocket. So we want to find out how much each shirt costs, how much rupees SP, find out selling price, represent detail. We can go through next chapter, selling price, cost price, that chapter is there, we can go through that chapter. Now this one question only, just you try to understand, that's enough. Then selling price, so this is cost price of trouser 90x, cost price of shirt to become 75x. Next we want to find out selling price of a trouser. We want to find out one formula is there, SP finding here profit percentage given time, SP for how to say, SP means selling price short form, SP how to find out to means the formula is 100 plus profit of the trouser divided by 100 into CP means cost price of the trouser. Cost price of trouser is how much, 90. So value substitute in 100 plus P. P means profit percentage. In the question they given trouser case profit percentage is 10 divided with 100 into CP. CP means the cost price of a trouser become a 90x. So 0, 0 cancel. 100 plus 10 comes to be 110 divided with the 10 into 9x. Again 0, 0 cancel. 11 nines are how much? 99x is the cost price of the trouser. Same way we want to find out the cost price of the selling price of the trouser case 99x. Same way we want to find out a selling price of the shirt also. Selling price means he sell that shirt and trouser to the others. That is the meaning. So selling price of the shirt also we want to find out. Selling price of a shirt. That is the same formula. Formula have no change. 100 plus a profit percentage of shirt divided by 100 into CP means cost price of the shirt. So 100 plus a profit of a shirt is 12%. It is given in the question. The shirt selling time he become 12% profit divided by 100 into cost price of a shirt is how much we got? 75x is the cost price of the shirt. Value substitute, calculation do in time. 100 plus 12 comes to 112 divided by 100 into 75x. Which table? 5 table used to cancel. 5 table 100, 20, 5 table 75 because how many times? 15x. Again 5 table 15 means 3 times 5 table 24. 4 and 112 cancel. 4 table for 1 time. 4 table 112 because how many times? Here 2, here 20, here comes to be 32 means here 28. 28 threes are how much? Here 4. Then 84x is the answer. So x is that's why 84x is the selling price of the shirt. Selling price of the trouser means he get 99x. X means we want to, that is our aim. We want to find out x. Then you get the exact selling price of the trouser and exact selling price of the shirt case. But here they asking just what they ask to full detail they need not want. They ask in the question how much material, total material of trouser he purchased. That here full detail need not want. So here x place need not want to substitute x value. But anyhow we want to find out exact x value. So these are separate selling price of the trouser and the shirt. So we want to find total togetherly shirt and trouser selling day how much. So we can write it as a total selling price is equal to selling price of the trouser, that is 99x plus selling price of the shirt is 84x. The total amount selling time for his some amount come to his side. How much amount selling time he getting? 36,600 rupees it getting. So 99 plus 84 comes to be how much? 183. X is equal to 0. So x value we want to find out. X value how much will get coming there? Here divided with 183. Cancel 183. Cancelling with that number we get a 200. So we get the exact x value was a 200. Then we get first was original. What they ask you to find out? The original material purchase bought for a trouser case we will get. We consider an alphabet as x, first line that will first step. So that x plus 200 substitute. So we understood that how much length of cloth, trouser cloth he material he purchased 200 meters. So next last step. Therefore we can say that total trouser material bought is equal to, we consider x, x place x value substitute, so how much meter? 200 meter. That is the meaning of this seventh question. They ask that much only, so that much enough. Okay. Then next eighth question. Eighth question they tells about another one. I hope you can understand this seventh question. Eighth question, here they tells about a deer case. A group of deer, we call it as a herd of deer. Group of the deer. Group of the deer, we call it as a herd of a deer are there. They then how much deer, total number of deer not given. They ask in that total number, half of the deer going for grazing the field. Grazing the field means eating the grass. They grazing for grass. So eating the grass. So grazing the field. How many? Half of the total. Then next line they tells about remaining half. Remaining half of the herd, that deer is there. In that remaining half, 3/4 part of the remaining deer going and playing the nearby places. Then 9 deer go and drinking the water. Question asking, then say what is the total number of deer in the total number of deer they ask to find out. That is the meaning of our eighth question. So we don't know how much is the total number of deer. So we can write it as total number of deer is equal to, we unknown part we consider an alphabet x. Then first line what they given, a total number of deer is x. In that total number, half are going for grazing. So number short form n. Number of deer going for grazing is equal to half of total number, half of total deer. That means half into of means into total deer is how much we can say x. That means x/2 deer are going for grazing the field. Then next remaining half of the remaining half. Suppose example here you just imagine there are 10 deer are there. Half of the deer are grazing means half of 10 become how much? 5. 5 deer are going for field and eating, grazing there. Then remaining means how much is half, how much remaining half means how much is there? Totally subtracted with the grazing number. Remaining become how much? Remaining half become 5. Same meaning here also. Number of deer playing, number of deer playing nearby place they asking. That means half they telling that remaining 3/4 part of the remaining half. 3/4 of remaining half of deer. Half of deer going for a play. Remaining half means here remaining half, how to find out? Total deer 10 is the 10 minus grazing deer, that is 5. 10 minus 5 become 5 is the remaining half. Same way here also subtract 3/4 part of means into remaining half, how to find out? Total deer how many number? X. Remaining half, how to find out? Total deer minus grazing deer how much we have? X/2. So again calculation 3/4 into 2 cross multiply. So inside bracket become 2x minus x whole divided with LCM 2 cross multiply. So we get how much? 3/4 into 2 minus here 2 a coefficient, here coefficient of x is 1. So 2 minus 1 comes to 1x. So x/2 answer become how much? 4 2s are 8. 3 into coefficient 3/4 2s are 8x is our number of deer playing for nearby place. We get it as 3/8. The next step what they given means a number of deer playing number of deer playing not drinking water. Playing case 3/8x. Drinking water is equal to that exact number they given as 9. According to question, we want a total number of deer. They ask in total. According to question, we can say total number of deer. We consider it as x. How to getting a total number of deer? Number of deer going for grazing. How many deer going for grazing? Half of the deer. That means x by 2. Already second step we written that. Plus number of deer going for grazing. Playing. How many of them going for playing? 3/8 x is the deer going for playing. Plus number of deer drinking water. How many deer going for drinking water? 9. These three group are adding time, we get a total number of deer will get in there. So we adding and calculation doing time, we get a total number of deer. So total number x is equal to, here LCM become how much? 8 is the LCM. Each fraction x by 2 is multiplied with 8. Then second fraction 3/8 x is also multiplied with 8, and 9 also multiplied with 8, whole divided with the LCM. 8. 2 and 8 cancelling. How many times? For 8 and same number cancelling 1. 4. So x left side x is 4 into x to become 4x, plus 3 into 1 become 3 and x, plus 9 8 how much? 72, whole divided with 8. Next process 8 denominator 8 send to right left side. 8 into x to become 8. So I write here 8x is equal to, add like terms. 4 and 3 are like, but because they are carrying x terms. 4 plus 3 comes to be 7x plus 72 is a constant term. So like terms just you add and constant term write. The next term bring to one side. 8x plus 7x goes to opposite side, comes to be minus 7x is equal to how much? 8 coefficients of x. Our aim is to find out x values. So 8 minus 7 become how much? 1. So x value become how much? 72. So we consider total number of deer as first line. We consider like that. How much x become means also what we can say, how many deer are in that group? Total 72 deer are there. In that 72 deer, half are going to grazing. Half of the 72 become how much there? 36 deer are going for grazing. Remaining half means remaining how much are there? 36. Again remaining is 36. That means total number 72 is subtracted with grazing number. 72 minus 36 will become 36. Remaining half is 36. In that remaining half, how many are going for playing a 3/4 part? So 3/4 into, so we can write here, I just write 3/4 into 36. So 4 table 36 minus 27 are going for playing and 9 of them are going for drinking water. That is the meaning of the question. So therefore last line we can write it as a total number of deer is equal to how much? 72. So we get a number of deer become 72 is the meaning of this question. The next ninth question. I hope you can understand this question. The ninth question that tells about ninth question. Here grandfather and a granddaughter is there. Grandfather is 10 times older than the granddaughter, 10 times. And second line of this question, they says that present age of the grandfather, that means 10x is he become a 54 years great more than the granddaughter. So find out the present age of grandfather and present age of the granddaughter. That is the meaning of that question. So we can write it as a present age. We don't know present age of age of granddaughter. Granddaughter. We don't know. We consider it as X. Next step we can write present age of grandfather. That in which way grandfather age they given in first line. In first line they given as a 10 times represent as x 10 times present age of a granddaughter. Present age of granddaughter is how much x. So 10 into x become how much 10x is the present age of the grandfather. According to question they says that present age of grandfather, that is 10x. Present age of grandfather equal 54 years more than granddaughter. Suppose you have brother or sister is there, means you suppose you have a 10 years old, then your sister is 5 years more than yours. More means what we are doing a plus 5, and same way here also grandfather's present age is equal to with respect to granddaughter he is 54 years more. Granddaughter present age is how much x? 54 years more means plus 54. So find out our x value. So x 10 plus x bring to left side comes to be minus x is equal to 54. So 9x is equal to 54. 9 table use it to cancel. So how much 9 table 9 6 are 54. So x value become how much 6 is our x value. Therefore what we can say present, that is a question, present age of granddaughter. Granddaughter is equal to how much x. X means how many years she have 6 years. Then present age of grandfather. How much we can write? We consider it as a 10x. That means 10 into x plus 6. So how many years grandfather have? 60 years. 60 years he have. So we can say that he is correct only. He have 6 years means granddaughter have 6 years means grandfather is how much years more than her? So 54 years. So 54 plus 6 comes to be 60. So I hope you can understand this question. Next question do as homework. Thank you.